Welcome to Kuantan. In this episode, we're taking in the views from the Kuantan Tower, walking along the riverfront, hopping on a river cruise, and wrapping things up at the night market at Teluk Cempedak. Starting things off at the Kuantan Tower, one of the best places to get a view of the city from above. From here, you can really see how Kuantan stretches along the river and out towards the coast.
Oh, look at that. Very cool. There you go.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are we doing? That's a good advertisement right there.
Where are you from, sir?
U.S.
All right, welcome to Kuantan 188.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Now that's what you call first class service, right? Guy comes swinging around the side and welcoming you to the tower. Doesn't get better than that. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to click like and subscribe down below. It really helps the channel. I'd say this is a pretty cool little tower. It's definitely not the tallest out of the towers here in Malaysia, but it is extremely scenic, and you can see into the town. You have the mountains in the distance. You've got the ocean and the river, so very scenic. I would definitely recommend, if you're here, coming up here and checking it out. All right, let's go see what else we can find. I know there's more trouble to get into.
Before heading down to the Riverwalk, I stopped to try the restaurant at the bottom of the tower. It had just been renovated and they were looking for feedback, especially from someone from out of town. They were hoping for some constructive criticism, but honestly, everything I tried was really good. You can also bundle the tower and river cruise for a discount, which makes this for a great stop in between. From the tower, it's a short walk along the Riverwalk to the cruise departure point. It's a great place to stretch your legs and get a feel for the city at ground level. Before the cruise, I said goodbye to MJ. We met earlier at the tower and ended up having a great conversation along the Riverwalk.
This is MJ, and he's been showed me around the tower, showed me the restaurant. Now we're about to do the riverboat cruise. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time, man.
To help you, to show you, tell you everything I can.
Yeah, no, I appreciate all of it. I really do. Dinner was very good. We'll do more on that in the video, but good dinner, yeah. They tried to feed me too much, but it was very good. It was very good. I can tell you, if you like omelets, I don't even know everything that was in that omelet, but it was very good.
Always good to meet people along the way. Now let's see what this river cruise is all about. Fun fact, this McDonald's near the cruise's departure point is right next to a cemetery. Do with that what you will. As the sun goes down, things pick up over here beachside. This market is a short walk from the Hyatt Resort, and I've placed a link to the full review in the description. It's a great place to walk around, grab something to eat, and take in the local atmosphere. You'll find everything from street food to snacks, with plenty of options to try. I wasn't sure what to expect from Kuantan, but it turned out to be a really relaxed place to explore. Definitely worth a stop if you're traveling along the east coast of Malaysia. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.